So over here you can see that I have this image right here, and if I were to go around and erase this erase the parts of this image, then what happens is that the pixels itself gets erased right here. It's not just hidden. So this is a destructive method of editing. But let's say you want to preserve it, you just want to hide portions of the image, then what you can do is you can utilize something called masks. So to do that, over here you can see that masks is an option. So you can select out the layer that you want to apply the mask to, and then you can go around and click on add render mask right here. So once you do that, a mask is added in, as you can see right here, which is linked with the main layer. So you can go around, choose the main layer right here just like this, or you can go around and choose the mask right here and erase as well. But over here for that, you actually need to go around and select out the brush tool right here. So let's just go around onto black brush tool right here, right click and change around the size of the brush and start erasing right here. If I were to go around and then select out paint out with black, then what happens is that you can actually see that it seems as if I'm erasing the picture right here, just like this. But what is actually happening is that I'm painting that portions of the mask as black right here. So you can see that this is what you have right here. This is the mask right here, and it is non-destructive. Meaning if I were to go around and switch the color, let's say for example I switch the color to white, then I can simply get back those elements right here. So it's just hidden and not actually deleted. You can also go around and make it gray. Let's say for example, once you make it gray, then what happens is that you simply have it semi-transparent right here, just like this, as you can see right here. The more darker the gray color, the more transparency you actually get right here. The more brighter the gray color right here, just like this, the more less transparent it is right here, just like that. So that is how you can go around and add mask inside a Photopea. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.